Well, hey everybody, I'm James Jensen, and I'm a realtor with Remax Lawn Realty, and today I was not planning on doing a tech review, but my younger brother got me a Purple Panda that I've been eager to open and test out, so I thought while doing it, hey, I may as well make a quick YouTube video. The reason I say I was not planning to do a tech review today, I would not have worn this yellow shirt to go on this yellow background. Kind of blends together. Anyway, right now I am on a Rode shotgun mic. And what do you think of the sound? Does that sound okay? Well, I'm going to put this Purple Panda on and test out how that sounds. Actually, why not I do a quick unboxing video too? So I gotta admit, I got a little eager. This was packaged way nicer than this. But it comes in this nice felt bag. It has a few instructions on it. It shows you the different fittings to the different devices. And then it comes with a, oh, it's got a little mini dead cat. That's kind of cool when you're for a windy day. And then there is, this must be some sort of adapter. We'll see if we need it for this camera. I'm using a Canon 80D camera also. And then, okay, so this is the Rode mic, so it looks like it clips it on, not Rode mic, the Purple Panda. This looks like it clips on my shirt. And then there's a, it looks like just a really long extension cord for the plug-in. And then there's another attachment to, this looks like if for like a USB port of sorts. But I'm going to put this on and try out the mic. So it has a clip. Oh, it's also got some few extra clips in here. Or not a few extra, a extra clip. So I'll put the dead cat back in the bag since it's not windy out. Maybe when it's that small it's more like a dead mouse. Now for the moment of truth. Well, test one didn't work out so great. I got to the end of the video. I thought I had some great stuff, probably had some good sound, and there was no sound. So I must have plugged in the Purple Panda into the wrong port. So on a Canon 80D, put it in the bottom port, the plug-in for the Purple Panda. So hopefully we have sound now. So how does this sound? Does this sound good? Do you like the sound of the Purple Panda? Or do you like the sound of the Rode mic? Rode mic, Purple Panda. Rode mic, Purple Panda. Rode mic, Purple Panda. Rode mic. So now I'm back to the Rode mic. Don't be fooled, even though I have it clipped on my shirt, it's unplugged. So, Rode mic or Purple Panda. Well, thank you everybody for watching, and remember to subscribe to the channel. I plan to make videos like this. If you like this, let me know. If you don't like it, hey, let me know too. Comments are always fun. Well, thank you everybody for coming, and until we meet again, we'll see ya.